Oh, I guess it's going. Nice. Hailstorm. I was just riding yesterday. Pretty good sized ones too. Freaking the dogs out. Calm down a minute. Let's see if it'll pop back. Oh, here it comes again. It's gonna boil the rain puddle. Nice. I don't think the flowers are going to survive this. Kind of cool watching it bounce off the ground, though. Getting pretty thick. Poor little flowers. Won't be using that for a few days.